Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing one of my favorite ways of preparing chicken, Barbi fried, KFC copycat barbecue chicken. If you want to see how I achieve this one, just keep on watching. To my returning supporters, appreciate you guys a lot. First time coming on board, welcome. So just continue watching, guys. Okay, jumping right to the video. You have a chicken already cut in 8 pieces, and I'm going to wash that with vinegar and then season. I have a mixture of season, and all those season will be in the description box below. Okay, here I'm mixing all those seasons together to combine everything properly. And we're going to use about 3/4 of that mixed season on our chicken, and the remainder we leave for seasoning our flour for coating our chicken. And here I'm adding some garlic puree, that's totally optional. And you're going to season this well and leave for marinate at least 30 minutes. And we'll come back when it's time to prep for frying. So just keep on watching, guys. Okay guys, moving on. Here is the remaining seasoning. I'm going to add that to my flour, and that's all-purpose flour. I'm going to add additional paprika, and just so you guys can see the difference in this video, guys, I don't know what happened to my video quality and this thing that I'm using, but just bear with me. I'm trying to sort it out. The quality is not like my usual video. I don't know what to show off on this one, but nevertheless, I'm trying to achieve back my quality video. So here I'm just coating my chicken, and my oil is already heated. So I'm just going to fry this until they are golden brown. And when your oil heat up, please lower your flame so that these chicken don't burn, okay? Even though we're going to put them in the oven, we still need them to cook at least 3/4 way, okay? So here I'm just dropping my chicken in my hot oil, and I'm just going to allow that to fry, and as you see, and we'll come back when it's time to put them in the oven. So just keep on watching. Okay guys, moving along. Here I already prepped my baking sheet. For easy cleanup, I use the foil paper, And I'm just adding my chicken pieces. For the sauce, I'm using barbecue sauce, ketchup, add pepper sauce, some black pepper additional seasoning, a little sugar, and some browning because these barbecue sauce, they have no color. So I'm just going to pour all those in a bowl, mix to combine, and use to coat my chicken. And your oven should be already preheating. So whenever time you finish coating, you put your chicken in the oven. So we're going to do additional 10 minutes with this chicken, 5 minutes per side. So after the first 5 minutes, you flip, coat, and back in the oven. And I'll catch you at the end of the video, guys. So just keep on watching. And here is my Barbi fried chicken, fresh from the oven. Yes. And as you can see, I have sorted out the camera setting on my phone. Oh my God. Look how beautiful these look, guys. And here's my finished dish. I served that with some rice and peas, some fried plantain, and some fresh veggies. And dinner was delicious. So if you enjoyed this one, please like, share, comment, subscribe if you haven't. Put your bell on so you won't miss another upload. I want to take the time out again to thank all my supporters. Really appreciate each and every one of you guys. So until next time, guys, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye for now.